positive and negative electron configurations with orbitals. So for one example is F to the negative, which is fluorine negative. Okay. And negative means you add, and since there's there's no number written next to it, it's only a 1. Like it's 1 is assumed. And you're trying to get your orbitals full, and to do that you want to get to the closest noble gas, because noble gases do not want to react. Okay, so to write the electron configuration of fluorine, first you have to find it on the periodic table, and then you write the electron configuration as you normally would. 1s2, 2s2, and then 2p5. Okay, but since it's a negative, you add 1 electron, so then it would turn into 1s2, 2s2, and then 2p6, because fluorine is missing 1 electron, and it wants to gain 1 so it can look like neon, which is the noble gas. So this is your electron configuration for fluorine negative. And to write the orbital for that, you would do 1 box with an up and down arrow, another 1 box with an up and down arrow, and then 3 boxes. And since you now have it completely full, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is for this one. And that is how you do a negative. Okay, and here's an example of a positive. Na, which is sodium, and then positive. So you are going to be subtracting 1 electron since it's a positive. You need to locate sodium on the periodic table, and you want it to look like neon because you're subtracting 1, and that gets you to neon. So here's how you write this one. It is, the electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s1. That's for the original sodium electron configuration. You write it like that. Okay, and then for the new electron configuration, since you're losing 1 electron, it'll change to 1s2, 2s2, and then just 2p6 because it's neon and it's full of electrons now. See? Alright. So the orbital will now look like, well, I'm going to draw a before and after. Okay. I'm drawing the before one. Okay, there's the before orbital. You see how it's missing an arrow? It's not filled. That's why we want it to look like neon, so then it'll look like this. It'll be completely filled and happy, as Mr. Tran would say. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. See? And I'm going to box in the answer, and that's what it would look like. There you go.